In manufacturing, even advanced automation relies on one thing: solid electrical foundations. I am Monica, and in this episode of Monica Explains, let's look at why these fundamentals matter for every workforce. Too often, new hires are expected to work with machines without truly understanding the fundamentals of electricity. The result? Wiring mistakes, troubleshooting errors, and costly downtime. And for managers, that means safety risk and lost productivity. The key is giving every employee the same strong foundation. Skills like correct wiring, testing loads, and connections are not just nice to have, but they prevent downtime and reduce errors from day one. That's why the Fundamentals of Electricity course in BizLink online training focuses on safety wiring and troubleshooting, reinforced with virtual labs and a final assessment to make sure knowledge turns into real skills. And the payoff? New hires contribute faster, errors are reduced, and your teams gain the confidence to keep production running smoothly. Do your teams have the strong electrical foundation needed for today's automation?